So I had to go on a little recon mission and rescue Frosty, who was buried in about, it looks like 1.5 feet of snow at this point. Follow me. So I had to shovel a path all the way. As you can see, the snow's about to here. So I would imagine it's about, we probably have 15, 17 inches of snow at this point.
Holy cow.
And it's not slowing down at all. So luckily we have a 4x4. So we're gonna try and drive a little bit for fun and to see what's out there. I think we won't get stuck on a 4x4.
Hopefully not. They actually said to stay indoors, but obviously we're not listening.
My Christmas bride, I just need my baby's arms around the time of Santa. Hear my plea.
This is a fun ride.
Look at our house.
Christmas tree is ready. Candles all aglow.
Is that the mall?
Yes.
It's like the ghost of the mall. It's a freaking
Somewhere
mall.
there, over there is the Washington Monument. Somewhere that way is the Capitol.
Beautiful. I'm glad we came.
There you go. That's really nice. That's really nice.
Look at this. Look at this.
What?
It's like a video game. Just keep going straight. See how many people you can knock down. Like this one. Yeah, you better run. Or like these momos right here. What's up? Or how about these guys? The whole city has lost it. They really have. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Seriously. There's a sidewalk right there.
So what did your secret husband Santa get you for Christmas?
He got me what I asked for.
Which
Deep
is?
dish Chicago pizza. Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Because I've been really good this year.
You have.